Hello. Oh, someone's looking nice. Come in.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. No way, Zakaria. Really?
Yeah.
You love your brother so much?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Zakaria. OMG. Walaikum salam. Oh my God. Johnny, thank God I didn't give you anything. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my God. हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू धनक की दुनिया। जैसा कि अभी आप लोगों ने देखा कि एक बहुत बड़ी चीज आई है और वही है मेरी तरफ से। वो उसकी तरफ से नहीं है, मैं अभी सिर्फ एक एक्टिंग सी कर रही हूँ कि वो और ये मेरी तरफ, ये इसकी तरफ से है, इतना बड़ा है ये वो, और उसको भी यकीन हो गया है कि ये मेरी तरफ से नहीं है। बट ये मेरा प्लान था कि मैं जो है उसको दे दूंगी। मैंने एक हफ्ता 4-6 दिन पहले जो है मैं लेके रख लिया था, मैंने उसके घर रख दिया था और उसी ने जो ये पैक करके लेके आए हैं। और अब जो है उसको जो है बताएंगे, देंगे बाद में, भी देखते हैं क्या रिएक्शन होता है। ये है मेरा टोटल प्लान। उसने मुझे जो है सरप्राइज किया, बट मेरा सरप्राइज इतना बड़ा तो नहीं होगा, बट इतना बड़ा तो है ही। That someone is at her friend's house. Yes, really. चलो चलो चलो, open.
It's a flower in a box.
Exactly. Yeah, you can guess.
Truly.
You know, I went out to the border yesterday and I had to stop in a flower shop and buy a flower. That flower.
This one and
then I
that
bought
one.
that grass behind you, see?
And he bought this. See? Here.
Ah, because you know the one that you bought him.
It's Series 6. He has SE.
Ah, that's nice.
Open.
Oh my God. You are oh. I really have to be careful what I think. Oh my God, man.
Okay, I agree. Okay. Oh, thank you for that. Okay.
I got him. I got you. I got you.
She's the one who put it, and she brought it to me, and then.
Really?
Yeah.
So what is it from?
It's from Mom, Dad, Sadaf. Me.
And me too, because I kept it, you know.
Oh my God, man.
It's been me all the time.
You really got me now.
I know you got me yesterday, but I got you big time, didn't I? Look at is Elsa at her favorite person's laps. Hey, Elsa? Clara is your favorite now? Clara is your favorite now?
I was awake at night.
I was thinking like I'm going to be in at 4. It's okay because you're going to tell me 1 hour together, and you're going to go to work. It's okay. 1 hour. We're finished.
For me as well?
Oh, but this is for your head first.
Oh, this is for Yaya from him. That I don't know about. I know nothing about that. That is not me.
For you.
Ole.
This is for you again.
You?
Yes.
Why? I'm so lucky. I'm your favorite sister. Because I'm your favorite sister.
Also from.
Because I'm more favorite than he is, right?
I think, you know what?
Now he's really amazed. Now.
I was actually, I was thinking that, I really want to scream,
I know
You
it.
told me this before, actually.
Who else gonna know if not me? Who else is going to know?
That's why I say I really have to be careful what I think, because it just happened,
Dude, you know me how I am. If you want something, I do my best to do that. You don't have to tell me. You just have to say it out loud.
I just think something and just, it just happened, Like I want a computer. Suddenly my father gave me a computer. I was like, now I get strict,
So, my surprise is bigger than yours? I mean, obviously, the watch is different and that is different, but the idea of surprise, how you have to give it.
Where's my card? Where's my card? Where's my card?
What card?
Well, 31?
You already had so many cards last year when you were 30.
Already? I did. Okay.
You're 31 now. I was 30 yesterday. Not you. You're 30. So this is what I got him. Bigger? The one as size you wanted?
It's a curved screen, yes.
Yes. And it is not Samsung.
This is the exactly.
It is so not Samsung.
It's Lenovo.
Yes. Curved, Lenovo and big. It's 32. 31 point something or 32.
Speak.
Speak what? I'm opening. Elsa, you want to open? Okay.
A flower pot.
A flower pot! Nice!
I don't know if you like the
It's
color.
really nice. No, I like it.
She chose this.
It's lovely.
It's cloud.
I have to think how to put it in here. I can put maybe that one just like. I have to cut it. Oh, maybe not.
Another flower pot.
Something. It's a vase. It's a vase. Candle stand. Candle stand. It's a candle stand. You know I love candles.
She is the one who chose this.
Oh,
This is-
how did you know I love candles?
She's the one who told me that this is the color that Dhanak she would like. I don't know.
That's so true. I like this color, and then if I want to combine two colors, then it's both. As you can see on the sofa as well.
With me, I would not choose this. This is something.
This is so nice.
If it was me,
I have a candle stand now for my table.
Yeah, it's a bit big, maybe. But
No, it's good. Perfect. Thank you, both of you. Beautiful. Okay, your turn. You open now.
It was a pizza slicer, right?
Oh my god, he's such a good guesser.
You're making fun of me.
What is it?
he is a gardener, so he
Gardener. Oh, you have proper tools. Now it's a proper hug for the gift.